Hey there traders, welcome to the Pip Banker Sessions video summary. Just a quick video for you guys today just to let you know what we've been doing in the sessions since the last video. We've been taking a whole host of trades. The one that I want to show you here is a 4-hour pennant that we set up just a while ago. Now a number of the guys were able to catch in the short here, and as you can see that was 382 pips later. But as we go along down this down channel, and if you look at this chart, the bigger version of it here, let me just scale out there. You'll see we've been in this really beautiful downsloping channel on the Swissy here for a while, and so when we broke out there, that was a really high probability trade, gave us a good breakout, good retest, and an opportunity to get short later on with a dark cloud cover pattern on the candlesticks there as well. So we used some really good entries there. We're able to manage our trade into profit, and as we were going down looking for opportunities to scale out and scale in. So I want to show you the latest version of this trade, right? Because as you can see, I'm not in a trade at the moment, and this is how we manage it. We got into the trade there, and every time we come to logical levels, we scale out a portion, right? And then we scale in at another portion, and then when we come to key levels, right, that is where we take the trade off, and if the key level breaks, we get back in. So that all the way through, all the way down this channel here, we're banking pips, guys, and that's exactly what the Traders Haven Pip Banker Sessions is all about. When you come and join us in the live rooms there, what we want to teach you to do is to put those pips in the bank to let your account grow. So that's what we were doing. As we're coming down to levels throughout the daily pivots here and different levels on the Fibonacci as well, we found areas to scale in and to scale out of the trade as we go along. But when we come to a key level, that is where we get out of the trade. Now, as you look at the chart in front of you here, you'll see that my latest entry was a key level, the weekly S1. Alright, so we were sitting at that level for a while. As you can see, it was bouncing around that level, eventually broke, was retesting, and I wanted to see how strong this level would be. Eventually, after being here for like 16 to 20 hours, sitting underneath this level, I thought, alright, here's a good opportunity. And so what we had here, as you can see, is a shooting star pattern, right, off of the good logical level, a key level, the weekly S1 level, and so I jumped in with a very small stop loss. As you can see here, my stop loss was no more than 14 pips. As we then continue through this trade, you'll notice that my first portion to scale out of the trade, or to take a portion of the trade out, was 68 pips lower. When we broke through that and retested, I scaled back in again, and that's what we do. But now we've come to another key level. Here, as you can see, 142 pips lower. The key level, the weekly M0. And as you can see, I've managed to take that complete trade out for 141 pips profit, and that's what we do. Now if this weekly key level breaks here and retests and it runs up again, something similar to this here, making these little steps, we will get back in again, have a new opportunity to start riding this trade all the way down to the bottom of this channel. Alright, so this is basically one of the trades that we'll be doing. Now we've applied this strategy to the Aussie yen, we've been trading the euro, the pound, we traded the pound yen. There's been a whole host of trades, guys, and we've had a really great week so far. The last few days the traders have been really doing well, and so we encourage you guys to pop over to fap-tradershaven.com, have a look at our forum there. You'll see the details on how to join us in the Pip Banker Sessions, and we'd love to have you join us there in London and New York session, where we can teach you how to set these trades up, whereabouts to trigger them, how to analyze the charts, the patterns, the fundamentals, the technicals. We go through all of it, even the psychology of trading. So if you want to join us, pop over to tradershaven.com, and then we'll love to see you there. Cheers.